na panatilihin ang order sa Senado na ang pagmumura ay hindi normal, ang pagmumura ay hindi parte ng anumang proceedings at ang pagmumura ay hindi dapat isang bagay na maging manhid tayo na tinatanggap na lang nating normal at bahagi ng araw-araw nating pamumuhay.
Sir, is the admission of the former president enough to file a case against him? Or dapat mag-exercise mo individual cases of murdered?
Not for me to say again. I would rather read the transcript first and let the lawyers who are interested in doing this do that. I would rather keep the impartiality of the Senate at this point in time without prejudice to any member of the Senate doing so at the proper time.
Pero sir, dahil under oath na ginawa yun ng dating presidente, hindi na yung pwede niyang bawin at sabihin nagbibiro lang siya.
Sa palagay ko'y mahihirapan na siyang gawin yun. At kung kukunin yung video footage kahapon, tila hindi naman siya nagbibiro kahapon.